Hi, I'm Sherry from Crandall Office Furniture, and today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the arm cover on your Leap V1 office chair. So today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the arm covers on your Leap V1 chair. The reason you might want to remove these, sometimes they get cracked on the bottom, sometimes they get scuffed up or broken, and sometimes they just get beaten up and you just might want to make it look new again. So we're going to show you how to pop them off and put the new ones back on. So the tools needed today is going to be a small screwdriver and a big screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my small screwdriver and we are going to get into this little area here. There's a little hole. We're going to press that and pull the arm out like so. Don't put it in your chair. There's oil on that. And then the next part, we're just going to reach up under here with our flathead screwdriver. So you get it underneath there, and then you're just going to turn it and pop it up. So when we install the new one, we're just going to take it, we're going to turn it kind of sideways and snap it into place. Once you have the new cover on, you're going to want to put your arm back in. You want to make sure that your button is on the outside. There's a small tab here. You're going to press that in, just like that. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on Facebook. Remove and replace the Leap V1 arm covers on your Leap V1 chair. That sounded dumb. I didn't know it was gonna stay in there. I meant to say that. One more time. Oh my gosh, Isaac. My Lanta. You poor thing. Why do they do this? You must have been naughty for them to make you work with me. All right, Isaac, I probably should have tried this before. Are you good? Sorry.
There we go.
Hey! All right, we're gonna put it back in now. So,
Cut all this out.
thank God. Don't put it in the end either because that's stupid.